you can watch a Salman Khan film on an OTT platform. I, as a Salman Khan fan, would want to go to Gateway Galaxy and see it. That's my choice.
पहले तो मैं बहुत खुश था कि मेरी फिल्म रिलीज होगी, मेरे नाम पे पोस्टर लगेंगे, बट नाउ द वर्ल्ड हैज चेंज्ड.
सिनेमा व्यूइंग एक्सपीरियंस जो है वो हमारे कल्चर का एक बहुत अहम हिस्सा है.
ट्रेडिशनल वे में बोलते हैं ना कि क्या बोलते हैं, लीड प्रिंसिपल प्राइमरी फेस है आजकल.
It's out on 23rd. After a long wait of a year and a half, it's out. As a fan, as an audience, this time I'm really looking forward to it. I would not want to dabble in areas that are beyond my control. My job is to perform in front of the camera.
जो आपका करियर, आपका जिस तरीके से आपका इस पर जा रहा है, यू आर अ वेरी वाइडली अक्लेम्ड एक्टर एंड लेकिन इसमें इंटरेस्टिंग चीज ये है कि ओटीटी का बहुत बड़ा हाथ आपकी कामयाबी में, चाहे वो क्रिमिनल जस्टिस हो, चाहे वो मिर्जापुर हो, चाहे वो यू हैड अ small cameo in Made in Heaven, but I think that was noticed as well. So constantly you've been doing something or the other on the OTT platform, which has really got you a massive reach and a lot of respect. अभी जो ये एक डिबेट है कि सिनेमा का एक ऑडियंस अलग है और OTT की एक ऑडियंस अलग है, and both can coexist. Maybe a film like Dolly or Kitty, I think maybe it was a good idea to release on OTT because बहुत बार क्या होता है कि अगर फिल्म सिनेमा हॉल में रिलीज होती है, कितने थिएटर मिलेंगे, नहीं मिलेंगे, फिर people make their perception based on that. क्या रिस्पॉन्स है, all those things many a times. और फिर जब फाइनली जब OTT पर जब रिलीज होती है तो मे बी शायद एक वो एलिमेंट ऑफ फ्रेशनेस नहीं होता है बिकॉज पीपल हैव ऑलरेडी हर्ड certain notions about it कि बॉक्स ऑफिस पे ये रिस्पॉन्स था, ये था, वो था. So do you feel that this segregation is good for especially for an actor like you?
Faridun bhai, I honestly have never sort of prioritized how I'm going to behave medium per se. As an actor, I think you can only sort of you're hired to act and you act, and I very intentionally, it's a very conscious decision, it's been like that for all these years, and I think I will continue this, that I would not want to dabble in areas that are beyond my control. My job is to perform in front of the camera, and an actor is not the only one who's a part of the process of filmmaking. There are so many other things which are equally important, maybe more, like the investment the producers put in, the director, the crew members. Each film means different things to different people. There are pros and cons. One great pro which Amol spoke about is at one go you get an opportunity to interact with people in more than 190 countries, which could not happen say 5 years from now. So, and whatever I make today anywhere in the world is resonating. If not resonating, it's at least reaching out to people in more than 190 countries, which was not a possibility 5 years ago. Coming back to the thing as to when people say कि OTT की audiences अलग हैं और cinema की audiences अलग हैं, I think cinema viewing experience जो है वो हमारे culture का एक बहुत अहम हिस्सा है. We've all grown up to that one day in a month with family in a movie hall, fantasizing about hot samosas. तो वो हमारे कल्चर का एक हिस्सा है और वो हमेशा रहेगा. क्या मैं बैठ के ये बोलूंगा कि ये इससे बेहतर है या ये इससे बेहतर नहीं है? I really don't think I am in a position to do that because I have just started off my career. My job is to or my priority right now is to reach out to people and entertain them, show what I am capable of, tell good stories as much as I can. The medium has never mattered to me, and I'm sorry I'm taking a little bit of time, but it's a very pertinent question, I think. And because I come back from television, I do come from television. If today, after 16 years of work, I sit back and say, ye isse behtar hai, I think I'll be the most ungrateful person on earth. And I would not want to do that. And we still have the same audiences, in the last 5 years, what we've also seen is Hollywood films dubbed in Hindi making more money than Hindi films here. So the palettes are changing, the tastes are changing, our exposure is different today. Consumption of entertainment ka definition badal raha hai. People are watching, say, Dolly Kitty on a big screen in their homes. There are people who are watching it even on their 10-inch screens on their phone. So, the mode of consumption of entertainment has completely changed. And I am fortunate that people have appreciated me across formats. And probably one of the reasons why they have done that is because I don't indulge myself in things which are beyond my control. And I would rather stick to that.
Absolutely.
Yeah, but both these things,
Movie watching in India is an
won't
event.
see them. Absolutely, it's an experience. Cinema viewing is an experience in our country. As I said, that one day in a month for a middle class family means a lot. But coming back to what you were saying, I really don't see it that way, Faridun bhai. I personally don't see it that way. Yes, today at your own discretion, you are able to watch multiple things on an OTT platform. Whereas for a film, you go there, but you're willing to do that. That's your choice. That's the beauty of the wide array of things that you have on platter today. If you want, you can watch a Salman Khan film on an OTT platform. But I, as a Salman Khan fan, would want to go to Gate Galaxy and see it. That's my choice. So I have a wide array of things on my platter. It is absolutely my choice as to what suits me best. I have seen people completing Mirzapur, commuting from their home to the office on their 10-inch screens because they wanted to see that. तो आपके पास प्लेटर पे सारी चीजें हैं. So today from where I see it as, I really don't want to sort of sit back and segregate कि OTT की audiences अलग हैं. OTT की audiences अलग नहीं है. ये सिनेमा की ऑडियंसेस भी वही हैं जो आज आपकी जंगल बुक और एवेंजर्स हिंदी डब्ड में देखती हैं, जो सौ करोड़ हमारे देश में कमाती हैं. Those people were not exposed to it. Say someone in Bihar 5 years ago was not exposed to a Hindi dubbed version of Avengers, but today because he has it, he's consuming it. The cinema will always be there, and penetration of this format, or the penetration of an OTT platform today is humongous, as Amol said. So what I basically also wanted to add is the fact that these are such unprecedented times that we are all adapting to it. And the last few months, in the last 6 months, we've had like nearly 40 films coming on streaming platform. Would that be a case like, say, pre-COVID? I really don't think so, but now it's happening. So it is our adaptability that has also come into play today. As I said, there are so many other factors which involve filmmaking. Most of which is dominated by monetary leanings, and we have producers, we have so-called A-listers on streaming platforms today. So I think in a lot of ways this time is very adaptive for all of us. So that's another thing that I wanted to add with regards to OTT streaming platforms.
So what are your forthcoming projects, both of you? We can start with Vikrant. What can we see you next? Cargo has just released, apart from Dolly Kitty.
Yeah, I am really looking forward to Ginny Wed Sunny, that comes on Netflix again. That's out next month. And then I start shooting for Haseen Dilruba, which I think we'll have Haseen Dilruba also hit the screens like early next year probably. Then I have Chaudah Phere. I start filming for that. I have that. And I have a couple of really interesting collaborations which I think I will be able to speak about soon.
That's great. That's wonderful. What about Criminal Justice Season 2?
Yeah, Criminal Justice Season 2 is happening, but unfortunately I am not a part of it. But we have the incredible Kirti Kulhari donning, the protagonists at this time, and I think, really looking forward to her play that part. So I'll find bits of me in Mirzapur also. Yes.
Mirzapur. Yes. Mirzapur is coming next month.
Yes, Mirzapur is also out next month. Yes, I'm really looking forward to it.
Craze is massive. I think 23rd October it is coming up.
23rd October, yes. It's out on 23rd. After a long wait of a year and a half, it's out. And unfortunately, though actively I couldn't be a part of it, as a fan, as an audience this time, I'm really looking forward to it. And so you'll find me in a lot of videos there. You'll find me in a lot of flash cuts there. So, directly, indirectly, I am still a part of Mirzapur too. Yeah.
Okay, and what about you, Amol?
मेरा नहीं है यार, इतना लंबा लिस्ट नहीं है अभी मेरे पास. 2-3 चीजें हैं. मैं जैसे मैंने बोला, जो मैं बात कर रहा था, मैं अपनी पेस पे चलता हूँ, क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. So आराम से ब्रेक भी लेता हूँ, घर पे रहता हूँ 2-3 महीना. So 2-3 चीजें हैं, और पिछले 6 महीने में तो कुछ हुआ भी नहीं नया. So there is one film that I shot last year, which again interestingly बहुत traditional way में बोलते हैं ना कि क्या बोलते हैं, lead principal primary face है आजकल नया. So मैं बड़ा excited हूँ उसको लेके. First film जहाँ पे आप पे टिकट बिकेगी, या अगर OTT पे आई तो आप पे सब्सक्रिप्शन बिकेगी. So that is being worked on. But वो shooting हो गई थी पूरी. It's a comedy. So I'm very funny. So it's a very funny thing, very new kind of humor. तो वो अभी पोस्ट चल रहा है. I have a feeling कि हो सकता है OTT पे ही आए. अब पहले तो मैं बहुत खुश था कि मेरी फिल्म रिलीज होगी, मेरे नाम पे पोस्टर लगेंगे और ऐसा. बट नाउ द वर्ल्ड हैज चेंज्ड. और वही है कि किसी के हाथ में नहीं होती हैं चीजें. किस्मत की बात है. एक वायरस आया और उसने सारे थिएटर्स बंद करा दिए. अब फिल्में OTT पे रिलीज हो रही हैं. So some things you can't plan. But that film will come out soon, hopefully. And soon we'll make an announcement.